Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Venmo to your US bank account step by step clearly.
Open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the main screen, locate your balance at the top. Tap on your balance to access your funds. You will see options for transferring your money.
Select the Transfer to Bank option.
Choose the amount you wish to withdraw.
Next, pick a transfer speed.
You can select between instant transfer or standard transfer. If you choose instant transfer, a fee will apply.
For standard transfer, it typically takes 1 to 3 business days.
After selecting the transfer speed, tap on Transfer. You may be prompted to confirm your bank account information. Ensure that your linked bank account is correct.
If everything looks good, confirm the transfer.
The app will provide a summary of your transfer details. Once confirmed, your funds will be moved to your bank account. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your bank account to ensure the funds are received. That's all there is to it.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.